Did you know Indonesia produces more than 10.6 million tons of rice-husk waste every year, and 90% of those wastes are burned in open fire, causing tremendous bad effects such as worsening air quality, causing heart and lung diseases, as well as rising temperature in our global planet. But what if I tell you that we can turn this rice-husk waste into all-new renewable energy source? Introducing our proposed solution called ReVolt supercapacitor, where those rice-husk waste are turned into biocharcoal, then to a subset material used in supercapacitor. Now I'm passing my time to Chris to explain a bit more about our innovation.
Starting with rice husk, a widely available agricultural byproduct, pyrolysis is used to convert the waste into biochar. This carbon is then activated, creating millions of microscopic pores that dramatically increase its energy storage capability. So when this is fabricated into electrodes, combined with an electrolyte and separator, it becomes a working supercapacitor. In just a few steps, agricultural waste becomes a sustainable energy storage solution, demonstrating how circular economy principles can support the energy transition. So to transform rice husk from agricultural waste to this energy storage material, we carried an iterative cycle of design, testing, and optimization. We fabricated multiple prototypes of the electrode and evaluated both their mechanical stability and electrochemical performance. Through this systematic testing, we identified a combination of parameters that delivered the highest capacitance and most consistent results, which validates not only the technical feasibility of our supercapacitor, but also its potential to becoming a scalable and sustainable solution. While our initial prototypes we used conventional wet coating, our current research is focused on dry coating technology inspired by modern lithium-ion battery production. By eliminating solvents and simplifying electrode production, this approach can reduce manufacturing energy consumption by up to 40% and lower production costs by up to 15%. Beyond improving performance, it makes rice husk capacitors more sustainable, scalable, and commercially viable. By combining agricultural waste with cleaner manufacturing, we aim to accelerate the adoption of affordable energy storage for communities worldwide. So what are the benefits of supercapacitors? Well, in the EV industry, for example, research has shown that due to its high power density and extreme cycle life, it can actually extend battery life cycles by 4 to 5%. That's an extra 30,000 to 50,000 more kilometers.
So, what makes ReVolt supercapacitor unique? First, we offer a cost-efficient product by using local agricultural waste, which is the rice husk. Second, we are tailored for emerging market needs such as the EV and transport sectors. And third, we meet the customer needs by being a sustainable product with clean and scalable energy tech. By creating ReVolt supercapacitor, we can upcycle more than 10 million tons of rice husk waste, mitigate 9 million tons of CO2 emissions, and not only that, we create over 2,700 jobs.
So, how do we bring ReVolt from the lab into the real world? Our implementation plans runs across 3 phases over 3 years. Phase 1 includes prototyping as well as validation. Phase 2 includes prototyping as well as pilot project. And in Phase 3, we commercially launch it in Indonesia first, then we expand it into Asian countries. To make this happen, we already have a supply chain that's already grounded in existing partnerships. Bina Tani Sejahtera, who works with local farmers who collects rice husk waste, and then there are WasteX who produce that into a biochar. And then us, Pentagrow, turn that biochar into ReVolt supercapacitors. We then deliver that to B2B partners, to EV, as well as energy companies.
The market cap is at $3.2 billion USD, meaning that this market is an upcoming and growing sector. If we plan to implement this business, we're taking a 25% profit margin, and we're planning to sell 30,000 units in the first year, with a break-even period after 1.4 years of full operational excellence. So now, the question remains, are we ready to transform the future of sustainable energy source?
ReVolt, no emission, just action, charge the future!